Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a conditioner that not only nourishes, but actually strengthens your hair while making it softer and shinier? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into a product that promises just that. Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This highly concentrated formula is designed to reduce breakage, boost shine, and leave your hair feeling smooth and manageable. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, a quick breakdown of what you're getting with Olaplex No. 5. This conditioner is formulated to hydrate, detangle, and strengthen all hair types. The key ingredients, panthenol and glycerin, work together to draw moisture into the hair, helping to prevent breakage and maintain softness. The formula is color safe, so if you've had your hair dyed or bleached, you can rest easy knowing this conditioner won't strip your color. I've been using this conditioner for a few weeks now, and I've put it through a range of tests. I'll be honest, I was curious to see if it would really live up to its promises of reducing breakage and boosting shine. The first thing I noticed was how easily it spread through my hair. The texture is rich and creamy, but not heavy, and it rinses out easily without leaving any residue behind. I have straight hair, but I tested it with my hairdryer, and it definitely lived up to its promise of making my hair feel smoother and more manageable. Even after just the first use, I noticed that my hair felt softer and more hydrated. On days when I styled my hair, it seemed to hold its shape a bit better too. But what about breakage? Over the weeks, I've noticed a visible reduction in the amount of hair I see on my brush. I can't say it's eliminated breakage completely, but I've definitely seen an improvement. My hair feels stronger, less brittle, and more resilient, which is a big win. Now, there's a catch. While I love how this conditioner leaves my hair feeling soft and smooth, I did find that it requires a little patience. You need to make sure to let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing for the best results. It's not the kind of conditioner you want to rush through if you're looking for noticeable effects. When it comes to value for money, Olaplex No. 5 isn't the cheapest conditioner out there. The 33.8 fel bottle, which is designed for long-term use, comes at a premium price. However, given its clinical results, like a 68% reduction in breakage when used as part of the full Olaplex system, it's clear that you're getting a product that works. For those of you who are serious about hair care, this might just be worth the investment, especially if you have color-treated or damaged hair. Now, let's talk about some alternatives. If you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly, there are certainly other conditioners that offer hydration and detangling properties. But when it comes to something that really targets hair strength and reduces breakage, it's hard to beat Olaplex. If you're someone with fine or fragile hair, it's worth considering. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The pump dispenser makes it easy to get just the right amount without wasting any product. And because of its concentrated formula, you don't need to use much. I didn't have any direct customer service experiences with Olaplex, but the brand has a strong reputation for quality and customer care. Their products are often recommended by professionals in the industry, which speaks to their credibility. To wrap it up, Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner is an excellent option if you're looking to boost your hair's health and strength. It's effective, and while it's not the most affordable option, it offers excellent results, especially when paired with the rest of the Olaplex system. If you're dealing with breakage or dry, brittle hair, I'd highly recommend giving it a try. So what do you think? Have you tried Olaplex No. 5 yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.